Hello everybody, today it's a beautiful day and we make today a linguine with a shrimp and a fresh arugula from my garden. Look how beautiful this arugula, I got so many arugula. Oh, when I go to my garden, I cut it with the scissors like you cut your hair, like this. A couple of days, boom, come back the same thing and you cut every 2-3 days, you cut arugula. And we make it beautiful. I got linguine, cherry tomato, shrimp, garlic. Look at this garlic. So small, but really big. Wine, flake out the pepper, and arugula. Okay, now we start with the shrimp, but we gotta put a little oil first. Put the gas on, oil. I got the water for the pasta, it boiled already, and salt. Okay, the oil is enough. And now I got my garlic. I don't gotta chop really thin. I slice like this. And I put a piece like that. It gives so good taste for the shrimp. Okay, now we leave the garlic. When it starts to jump around the garlic, we put the shrimp. Now it's the time of the shrimp. And we put the shrimp like this. Look how beautiful shrimp. This is nice size of the shrimp. We give a little cook on this side, cook on the other side, and we take out. Okay, now we cook on the other side. And look at the color, nice. This you not gotta cook too much, because after you cook too much the shrimp, it come like a shoelace. You know, it chewy like a chewing gum. I want to chew, but the shrimp gotta be nice, look, crunchy. Okay, got one, and two. Okay, now we raise the flame a little bit, and we put a little more color on the other side. After it gotta go out. Okay, now we lower the gas, and we take the shrimp out. Okay, now it's the time of the tomato. We put a little bit more extra oil and tomato. Okay, now the tomato, we stay like this, they start to pop out everything. We lower the gas and we're ready for the pasta. Alright, make sure to put you a lot of water. Make sure the pasta does not stick together, but it never stick on me, the pasta. I use a lot of water. And make sure salt and the pasta the turn like this. Okay, now we leave it stay down like that. And now the tomato. And we put a little flake hot pepper. Good. Okay, now the tomato is nice saute. Now what I do with this, look, and you squeeze a little bit, not too much, and you do one by one, look, so easy. Okay, now we put a little salt, not too much, like this. A black pepper. Okay, it's enough. And we give a nice turn everything together with the salt and black pepper. Alright, now we put the shrimp back. And we give a nice turn on the shrimp and the tomato. Now when you cook the pasta, make sure to keep a little water, because maybe you need a little water. Okay, now we got the wine. I use dry wine. This is wine and drink, it's the wine I cook. I don't use the cook wine. I drink this wine, it's the same way. You see, when I cook, drink, I want to taste the shrimp the same wine and drink. And look now, how beautiful, look at this. Okay, now the shrimp is ready, and the pasta is ready. Let's turn the gas off for this pasta, the linguine, and let's put now the pasta. Oh, look how beautiful, look at this dish. One of this I eat to a nice glass of wine. Okay, now we put it back over here and we give a nice turn. All the pasta, the shrimp, the tomato, everything be nice. Alright, good. Now we turn the gas off and we go on a table over here to put the arugula on the top. We give a little mix, not like that, but we need to do arugula. And look how beautiful this arugula. Okay, I got a lot of arugula. Alright, now we give a mix with the arugula, the linguine, the shrimp, everything. When you pick up a fresh arugula for your garden, it's everything different. You see, the arugula you not gotta cook, because you cook it, it come out the nut. But this, like that, it's a really fresh arugula on the top. And now, it's a time I want to taste. And we got the linguine. And look at the arugula, how beautiful look. Right on the top, we got a tomato, shrimp, and look nice. And I want taste. Look at this. I think everybody want like this, but this is my dish. Look at the arugula, everything. And look at the shrimp. Nice, crunchy. Really good. And with a nice glass white wine, nice cold from the refrigerator. I want to say salute e chin chin to everybody. Make this dish, it's really delicious. Chin chin, salute. Thank you.